This video provides important tips on how to use the Kia navigation system. First, check to make sure you have the most up-to-date software installed. If not, Kia sends updated software via over-the-air. For more details, refer to the over-the-air video. You may also be able to update the software manually. Refer to the information on update.kia.com. To show your current location on the infotainment system, press Map on the screen or press the Map button on the control panel. To pick a destination, press the Search button. Here, you can enter the destination details such as a name, an address, or a keyword. Or you can view previous destinations. Select your desired destination and press Route. Then, select the desired route and press Start Guidance.
The route guidance will start now.
To view points of interest on your route, press Menu. Nearby Info, Nearby POIs, and then select POI Categories. You can also select Add Stop. Then press Route and Start Guidance.
The route guidance will start now.
To save your current location, on the map screen, press the current location to save and name that location. Press Save Location, then press Save again. To use voice recognition to find a destination, press the voice recognition button on the steering wheel. Then say a command, Find, then the name of the location you want to find. For example, find coffee shops. Available on select Kia models, you can also say the wake-up word to find a destination. Hey Kia, can you find a nearby coffee shop with a drive-thru? To cancel guidance, press the X. You can also cancel using voice recognition. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to Kia Features and Functions Video's YouTube channel or the Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching.